Hi, good morning everyone. I Preeti Mondol of Bankura Shammilani College, NSS volunteer of Bankura Shammilani College, West Bengal, addressing you from my home. And I hope you are watching and working from your home too. And I hope wherever you are and your family are safe and healthy. I know you are facing a lot of problems in this world of COVID-19. It has put a lot of challenges in our daily steps, but what to do? We have to accept the challenge and take the steps carefully to win the war. Rather, I will say it a war. And day by day the cases are increasing, and it has took a worst situation in our world. A lot of people died because of this COVID-19. Still, some people are not taking it seriously. I would rather say that take it seriously. Stay home. Don't move outside unless and until you need to do. Spend time with your family. You can spend quality time with your family on this situation. To keep out stress, you can listen music and engage in group discussions. You do whatever you wanted to do in your but you couldn't do because of your busy lifestyle. You can practice your hobbies like painting, singing. You can also do cooking at home or do whatever you want. Study books, but don't move outside frequently. We have to understand that we stay in a society of both poor and rich. If we get infected, we will transmit the disease to others. We don't have the right to transmit the disease to others. It will take our life and their life too. Wash your hands properly, maintain proper hygiene, wear face mask, go to the doctors if you are feeling sick. And I would like to salute our warriors who are in the front line of this war, the doctors and nurses who are fighting for us in the hospitals, the defense, like police officers and army men. They are on the road to stop people from moving outside. We can't we have to think about them. If they can do so much for us, can't we stay at home for them? At last, I would like to say that stay home, stay safe, don't go outside. Until and unless we are infected, we will not understand the situation. So don't invite that virus to your home. It can be fatal to everybody in the society. So I hope my message has reached to you all. And at last, I would like to say that stay home, stay safe. Thank you.